Look at this guard on the night shift, physically exhausted and isolated in a booth, watching the hours pass. We start our careers at posts like this, wondering if we are destined for gate duty or if we can transition into corporate leadership. The current reality is demanding. The salary is low, the 12-hour shifts go unappreciated, and most guards feel they have no visible path to a promotion. I spent 16 years moving from these ground-level posts to managing large-scale corporate security operations. This video provides the exact technical roadmap I used to bypass the traditional waiting game for management. Success in this field relies on an operational perspective rather than a university degree or perfect English. I have seen ground-level officers reach management by proving they understand how to manage risk, even when they lacked formal credentials. Remaining at a gate post often stems from a lack of visibility into the corporate structure. To move up, you need a structural roadmap that bridges the gap between physical guarding and corporate integration. The first milestone on our roadmap is moving from a passive guard to an analytical observer. At the guard level, your focus must shift toward the mechanics of the operation. Compare these two approaches. A generic blank gate checklist shows someone who is simply watching the clock. An operations log with analytical notes about access vulnerabilities shows someone who is studying the security system. During your next shift, identify specific access control weaknesses. Listen closely during team briefings and absorb how information is shared across the site. Management potential becomes visible when you can explain the logic of the system protecting a facility. Standing at the door is the duty. Understanding the system is the career. On the second step, we reach the supervisor level. Here, your success depends on your communication strategy. Corporate employees often face an aggressive, interrogation-style approach from guards that mirrors airport security. This creates unnecessary friction in a professional office environment. The smart corporate approach relies on firm politeness. Look at this officer maintaining strict access control while ensuring the employee's entry is smooth and efficient. Displaying overly aggressive behavior at a checkpoint suggests a lack of situational awareness. This often removes an officer from consideration for corporate management roles. Corporate environments value de-escalation and frictionless daily operations. They need leaders who can maintain security without disrupting the workflow. Step 3 is manager prep. This phase focuses on how you take ownership during an active incident. During an active incident, take immediate initiative to secure the area. Waiting for a supervisor's orders creates delays that corporate teams cannot afford. This mock-up of an incident report demonstrates the standard you must meet. It prioritizes objective facts and a clear timeline over emotional reactions or personal opinions. You have mastered this step when senior staff bypass standard supervisors to ask you directly for the facts during an emergency. Controlling chaos and documenting it clearly proves you are ready to manage a corporate security team. We reach the final step, the jump to corporate management. This is the moment you transition out of the uniform. Interview success requires you to translate your ground-level tasks into high-level operational concepts that executives understand. Use professional vocabulary. Replace shift duty with operational coverage. Instead of checking IDs, discuss the maintenance of access control systems. The corporate interview is a test of your operational framework. You must speak the language of the executives you will be working for. We have outlined the roadmap: analyzing the operation, communicating smartly, leading during incidents, and using corporate vocabulary. This professional is entering a corporate headquarters because they followed a specific leadership track. They moved beyond entry-level gates by mastering analysis and executive communication. If you are ready to start this career trajectory, type "I want to grow" in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel to see our next video, where we will break down specific corporate interview tactics in detail. Move toward a career in security leadership. I will see you in the next video.